Om Swastiastu. Hello, my name is REYANA and my last ID number is 36. So now I will explain my floor and walls mock-up design. Thank you. So my first design is inspired by a snail spiral form, symbolizing slow movement, resilience, and the power to adapt to change. The goal is to create a space that invites people to walk mindfully and experience an emotional journey. Okay, so this building uses a transition between inclusivity and exclusivity. The inclusive aspect is expressed at the entrance pathway, where transparent walls with gaps and opening allow visibility and invite people in. As visitors progress toward the main structure, the walls grow taller and more enclosed, reflecting the exclusive nature of the core space, where not everyone can see what lies inside. The elongated, narrowing entrance pathway builds a sense of anticipation and curiosity, making people wonder what awaits within. In this way, this building seems to speak silently, urging visitors to step inside. Once inside, visitors are met with dramatic emotional atmosphere. A large tree stands at the center, evoking feelings of awe, reverence, and even urines. As if something sacred or powerful is present, the surrounding reflective walls intensify the experience by mirroring the visitor image from all directors, creating a sensation of being watched or observed. This interplay of architecture and perception makes the space feel alive, as though it is aware of and responding to each person inside. Okay, so the clover leaves inspires my building designs because it symbolizes balance, luck, and harmony. Symmetrical shape reflects natural beauty, while its meaning carries a positive message. This inspiration creates a design that is unique, in harmony with nature, and full of meaning. This building seamlessly blends the concept of inclusivity and exclusivity through the design of its entrance pathway. The walls start low and gradually rise, creating a visual and psychological transition from public inclusive to private exclusive space. The interior is fully enclosed with high, solid walls, preventing any outside view in, giving the building a strong sense of privacy and mystery. There are 4 access paths, each directly connected to one of the building's main rooms. However, all rooms are internally connected, allowing users to move between spaces without exiting the building, creating a flexible and intuitive circulation flow. So, inside the building contains 4 rooms, each representing a distinct emotional state. So the first one is calm and peaceful room, painted in shade of green with leaf-like patterns on the wall. This creates a warm, relaxing, and soothing atmosphere, helping visitors feel at ease and comfortable. And then the second is energetic and spirited room, dominated by bright yellow and orange tone to evoke freshness, brightness, and vitality. This space stimulates enthusiasm and uplifting emotional response. And the third one is sadness. Sadness and emptiness room, designed with dark brown walls and navy blue water-like pattern. The room is intentionally smaller, reinforcing a sense of quiet, solitude, and emotional depth, evoking feelings of sorrow and introspection. And the last is anger and tension room, enclosed by red and black walls with a tighter spatial layout. This design emphasizes intensity and pressure, allowing users to feel the weight of tension and dominance within the space. In conclusion, this building is not merely a physical structure but an emotional experience. Through its interplay of openness and enclosure, accessible pathways, and emotionally driven spatial design, the building speaks to its user, inviting them to feel, reflect, and engage deeply with each space. It concludes the explanation of my two models, covering both the floor and walls design. I sincerely apologize if there were any mistake in my words or if anything was conveyed in an inappropriate manner. I would like to end with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.